Hi guys, today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Charger. For some of you guys wondering how much air do I put in the tire or what size tires do I have on my car, this is an SXT model. These are, let me give you the tire size on this. This is a 17 inch. I can barely see it on the tread, but what I'm going to demonstrate for you guys is some people don't know where to look for the tire size. So on this one, I barely can see it. Actually, I don't see it at all. It must be on the bottom side. But one spot you can always go to is if you open up the driver's side door, you're going to see a sticker. It also has a picture of a tire. So it's telling you the size of your tire is 215 65 17. So you have a 17-inch rim, and the tire size is 215 65 R17. As far as how much air you put in the tire, see right here where it says 35 psi. That's how much air you put in the tire. So it's telling you for the front, the rear, and the spare how much air you should be putting in your tire. You can use a tire gauge, or if you take it somewhere and they put air in for you, just tell them to fill it up, 35 psi. That should also help to turn off if you have a tire warning light.